Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to live among the stars? High above Earth is the International Space Station, or ISS. The ISS is a unique scientific laboratory and a symbol of international collaboration. In 1998, the first pieces of the ISS were launched into orbit. Over the years, different modules were added, like a giant jigsaw puzzle, built by 5 space agencies: NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, ESA, and CSA. The ISS is a powerful symbol of what humanity can achieve together. Constructing the International Space Station was a monumental task. Imagine building a complex machine while floating in space, with no gravity to hold your tools or materials in place. The ISS was assembled piece by piece, with each component carefully launched into space and then assembled by astronauts during spacewalks. The station is made up of many different modules, each with a specific purpose. Some modules provide living space for the astronauts, with sleeping quarters, a kitchen, and even an exercise area. Other modules are dedicated to science, housing laboratories where astronauts conduct experiments in a microgravity environment. Astronauts from different countries work together, communicating in a mixture of languages and using robotic arms to maneuver the heavy modules into place. The process required incredible teamwork, skill, and a bit of courage, as astronauts ventured outside the station to connect the different parts. Life on the International Space Station is unlike anything we experience on Earth. Imagine floating instead of walking, seeing the sun rise and set every 90 minutes, and having a 360-degree view of our planet. They follow a carefully planned schedule that balances scientific research with daily tasks and moments of relaxation. An astronaut's day begins with a wake-up call and a quick hygiene routine, which is quite different in space. Water doesn't flow like it does on Earth, so astronauts use special shampoos and wipes to stay clean. Meals are a combination of prepackaged food and fresh produce delivered by cargo spacecraft. Exercise is crucial for astronauts to maintain their health in the microgravity environment. They also spend a significant amount of time conducting scientific experiments, ranging from studying the effects of space on the human body to growing plants in microgravity. Section 4. Weightless Wonders. Science on the ISS. The International Space Station is a unique scientific laboratory. Its microgravity environment allows scientists to conduct experiments that are impossible to replicate on Earth. This research has led to breakthroughs in medicine, materials, science, and our understanding of the universe. One area of research focuses on the human body. Scientists are studying how astronauts' bodies adapt to living in microgravity for extended periods, gaining insights into muscle and bone loss, cardiovascular changes, and the effects of radiation. This research has implications for treating osteoporosis and understanding aging here on Earth. Other experiments focus on physics and material science, taking advantage of the microgravity environment to study fluid dynamics, crystal growth, and the behavior of flames in space. The ISS also serves as a platform for observing Earth. Its unique vantage point provides valuable data on weather patterns, climate change, deforestation, and natural disasters. Section 5. Spacewalks and Spacecraft. Maintaining the ISS. Keeping the International Space Station operational requires constant maintenance and occasional repairs. Astronauts regularly perform spacewalks to replace faulty components, install new equipment, and keep the station in tip-top shape. These spacewalks are some of the most challenging and awe-inspiring tasks performed in space. Imagine stepping out of an airlock and into the vastness of space, with Earth floating below you. Tethered to the station for safety, they use specialized tools to complete their tasks, all while wearing bulky spacesuits that provide oxygen, regulate temperature, and protect them from the harsh conditions of space. Spacewalks can last for several hours, and they require incredible skill, focus, and stamina. Besides spacewalks, the ISS relies on a constant stream of cargo spacecraft to deliver supplies, experiments, and new equipment. These spacecraft, launched from Earth, carry everything from food and water to spare parts and scientific instruments. Docking a spacecraft with the ISS is a delicate procedure that requires precise navigation and timing. Section 6. The future of the ISS, a stepping stone to the stars. The International Space Station has been orbiting Earth for over 2 decades, serving as a hub for scientific discovery. Its legacy will extend far beyond its decommissioning in 2030. The knowledge gained will shape future space exploration, paving the way for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The ISS has taught us valuable lessons about long-duration spaceflight and human adaptation to microgravity. This knowledge is crucial as we venture farther, establishing outposts on the Moon and sending humans to Mars. The ISS is a stepping stone, a testbed for the technologies we'll need to explore the cosmos. Its legacy will continue to inspire us, reminding us that the sky is not the limit.